Have you ever opened a box and had tons of bubble wrap in it? We did, and it gave me an aha teachable moment idea. Welcome back, EdelKampers, to another Teachable Moments, where we explore, experience, and educate together. What kid or adult doesn't just love bubble wrap? When you take it out of the package, we automatically start popping it. And stomping it. We even turn it, twist it, anything we can do to pop it. Bubble wrap is creative and engaging. So next time you get a package and it is full of bubble wrap, take it out and let's use it for a learning experience. For this activity, all you need is bubble wrap and a Sharpie. Now, bubble wrap's pretty cool because most of the time it comes perforated, so you can tear it into these nice square pieces to make the activity easier, or you can use scissors if it does not. You can even make them smaller. Your choice. You can do it on the table, or you can use frog tape and tape it on to a flat surface. Totally optional. Today I chose to use colors. If you don't have colors, remember that colors are totally optional. You can do this as black. But as I'm doing letter recognition, I also like to do some colors in there if they're familiar. And remember, when you are creating your letter recognition bubble sheet, that you need to turn it around. The markers will wipe right off of the front, so you're going to turn it around. And since it is on the back side, remember to make your letters backwards. So I'm going to just show you right now. I'm going to lace a B. See how I'm making that letter backwards? So when I turn it around, it is the right way. So that's the only thing you really need to remember. Right on the back side, write the letters backwards. Once you've done that, you're ready. I have my letter recognition board ready. Now this can also help spell your name or sounds if they already recognize their letters, or you can match uppercase to lowercase. So what I would do is call out the letter if they're working on letters, A. If you have colors, you can also use the colors and say, push the blue A, or pop the blue A, pop the orange G. Or if you have a child that needs to learn uppercase and lowercase, you can say match the uppercase E with the lowercase e. Another good way is if you want to work on names, you can say, what is the first letter in your name? Mine is Mary, so M for Mary. What's the next letter? And so forth. You can also put sight words on here and practice your sight words and have them find the word cat or rat. Bubble wrap can be used for almost anything. You can use it for number recognition or even addition or subtraction. What is 2 plus 3? It's 5. You can now pop that answer. What is 9 plus 1? 10. What is 8 plus 7? 15. And pop it. So it still gives them that fun and energetic way of working on letters, numbers, whatever your child's working on, you can adapt this particular activity. If you like these teachable moment activities, please hit the like button. And if you would like to see more of them, subscribe to our channel, ring that notification bell, and I will see you next week.